line.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Brad out here with Silo Fishing. Down here on vacation right now, and we're at Inlet Beach, Florida. Down at Camp Helen State Park right now. Just come out here, try to throw some stuff around, maybe see what we can catch. You know, there's some big bass in here. There's where I'm fishing right now. This is brackish water, so if I went out that way, that'd be the ocean, and then obviously the fresh water comes in from this side. So we're just gonna throw around out here today, see if anything's biting, see what's moving around. Hopefully we'll get something. So come along with me. We'll see what we can get. I didn't even know how to hook that shrimp, but it worked.
How did you hook it?
Took it right through here where the meat went.
Yeah, that's how you hook it.
Yeah. Just drop it in.
Oh my gosh, there's a giant angler under you.
Oh, I see it.
Looks like you got one.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, did you see the size of that fish?
Huh? Is there a bigger one behind him?
Giant.
Oh, man.
Tried to eat that one.
You said this was a pinfish?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice little pinfish. He's not quite as big as that last one was, though.
Not even.
Well, if you'll stop flipping, buddy, I'll take you off the hook. I wonder if I could just use like a piece of this shrimp and catch more off of it. Just like break it up, you know?
Yeah, you probably could, but that means I need to get a smaller fish.
Yeah. I've heard down here it's bigger bait, bigger fish.
Yeah.
Oh, he's little.
The fish keeps getting smaller. Oh my god!
Oh, wow. There's a whole bunch right there. Oh!
Oh, fell off by itself.
That's what I like. 3 hooks at 3 release. Maybe.
Yep. I'm actually camping here at the moment.
Oh, nice.
Only for at least more days, I'm pretty sure.
Mm-hmm.
Today's Wednesday, right?
Yes. There's that snapper again. Just swam back into the boat.
Let's hope we catch one of those.
Yeah, that would be pretty neat.
You can keep them.
Snapper?
Yep.
There's another pinfish.
Actually, no, that's not a pinfish.
What is that?
I don't know what that is.
Huh.
Well, it's probably a breed of like a myth.
Yeah,
Of like,
could be. It's a pretty neat fish.
yeah, it looks like a breed.
He looks like kind of he's got the mouth of a drum.
Yeah. Or a mouth of a, like a mouth of a whiting.
What's a whiting? Is that kind of like a mullet?
It's like a croaker. If you know
Okay.
what those are.
I have an idea. Wouldn't say I know exactly.
How far is Tennessee? 12 hours, right?
It's about 7.5 hours.
What part of Tennessee?
I live in Knoxville. Oh, it's east of Nashville.
Well, watch those two heads. I bet you're gonna get the bullet. drop it right there. Oh my gosh.
He went flying.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at all these minnows.
Well, needless to say, these fish are biting. We're catching them on shrimp. There's some snapper over here, but I haven't got them to bite yet.
Bluegills are like red, right?
There's something. Another panfish.
I have a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fish on it, or what do you do?
I just do tons of stuff, but I haven't tried fishing before.
Oh, yeah?
Dang.
Oh.
Oh,
Is that a
mangrove.
snapper?
That's a mangrove snapper.
Huh. Nice.
Giant mangrove snapper.
That's a good looking one. Oh, look at the teeth on that thing.
Yeah, I've got snipped by them before.
Yeah. I bet it doesn't feel good, does it?
They bit I got bit right here and it took my whole thumb, like
Oh,
the
gosh.
whole tip of my thumb off. It was bleeding a lot.
Good looking.
Mangrove snapper.
snapper.
I had the crab on.
Yeah.
It looks like the bigger fish are on the top.
Yeah, it seems like it, but I don't know. That one was pretty nice. Felt like. There he is.
Snapper. Oh wait, no.
Another big fish.
I thought it was a breed for a second.
Get past these guys, might catch the big one.
Are you gonna use the heads? Do you use the heads?
Heads seem to just fall off.
I'm gonna watch this just to see this whole thing. They're already swarming it.
Oh, what was that? That dropped the same thing. There's something. A little bit bigger. Oh, he threw my bait off. There's another pinfish. Looks like.
Big one too.
Yeah. It's a big old pinfish. He's bigger than my hand.
Do you like Gatorade?
Yeah. Pretty good, especially when it's hot outside.
Do you know who Antron Brown is? The racer?
Oh, that's a pretty good size.
Oh dang!
That's a big mangrove snapper.
They hooked him on the
He
belly.
hooked him in the belly. Make sure you don't get me with them chompers.
If you catch one big enough, will you take it home and eat it?
I might.
I want to see how long that one is. I'm pretty sure it has to be like a foot to be cute.
Yeah, I think this goes to like 10 inches. He's about 8 3/4. there.
Huh?
Drop it right on there. Another one.
Oh,
Woo.
a lot smaller than the other one.
Yeah, that's okay though. Oh. I'll send him on back. Shrimp are stinky. Oh, he took my hook.
Oh my gosh.
All right, well, I'm gonna go get me some lunch. All right, guys, well, we laid the law down to some pinfish and some mangrove snapper and one fish that me and the kid that was out here weren't even sure what they were, but it's been a good hour or two of fishing, and now we're gonna head back, go get some dinner, and I'll catch y'all later. We'll go try and get some more tomorrow, maybe even this evening. So I'll see you next time.